Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be making carrot oil. So here I've already washed and scraped off my carrot, and yeah, so I am going to shred them all, and after shredding them all I'm going to fry them using olive oil. You can as well use coconut oil, but what I'm going to be using today is olive oil. Okay, yeah, so I'm done shredding the carrot. So the next thing is to fry it. Okay, and so here is the olive oil, Goya olive oil. That's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to use the 2 bottles to fry the carrot. And so here is my pot. I'm going to pour out the olive oil, and after that I'm going to pour the carrot inside the oil at the same time, and then allow it to fry for a while. It's going to deep fry very well before removing it from the fire, and then allowing it to cool off before I sieve it and extract the oil. Make sure you sit, relax, and watch till the end to see the outcome, and also see how I'm going to apply it on my hair for mega hair growth, and also for skin glow, for skin brightness and lightening. Okay, so don't forget to like this video, share, feel free to drop a comment, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Okay, so keep watching. So as you can see, the carrot has actually fried deeply. Okay, and so the next thing I'm going to do is to allow it to get cold before I sieve it, and that is it. Our carrot will be ready. And yeah, our carrot oil is ready. So now I'm going to be applying it on my hair. Watch closely and see the way I'm going to apply it on my hair. But first you have to comb your hair very well, and then you're going to be opening your scarf and apply the carrot oil directly on your scarf. And after applying it, you have to massage. Okay, so keep watching, see how I'm going to apply it on my hair and also on my face and on my skin. Just keep watching, and if you've watched up to this moment, don't forget to like this video, share, feel free to drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, And so this is how you should try this carrot oil on your hair and on your skin and on your face. Is very, very good for the skin, face, and your hair, for mega hair growth. Try this out. Try this recipe by yourself and make use of it. Trust me, you would love this. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.